of all, Shazia, how credible are the US preparations and how are they being viewed in Iran?
Credibility of the preparedness was, for me, like a week ago, it was just one battle carrier in the Gulf, the Lincoln. And I was of the mind that it might be for some kind of pressure tactics. It might be some kind of negotiation ploy. But now, as we can see that there are two more are sailing towards the Gulf. So now I think that there is a serious risk of war, and that too a war of attrition, because two other battle carriers, the Ford and the Bush, they are also traveling toward the Gulf region. So if we have this argument that this is again for the pressure tactics and this is again for the negotiation and the upper hand in negotiation, I don't think that Trump can take the risk of that, taking back three carrier ships without having any plan, without having any plan B. And we also are having these reports that there is a huge military buildup in the Zangezur corridor. Remember that Zangezur corridor, which Trump named himself Trump corridor, it's on the border of Iran and Armenia. So there are a huge military presence and equipment shipment is coming in the Zangezur corridor as well. So there are also reports that Kurdish militia and the Sistani Balochi separatists are also being trained for ground invasion. So I'm also following the Hebrew media, and I'm also discussing this on multiple platforms that in Hebrew media, Israel is aware of that regime change is not the solution for Iran. So they have to have some kind of ground invasion. So for the ground invasion, they are compiling up the proxies in the form of codes, in the form of as many as the dissidents they can find. So let's not name them right now. We don't know who they are going to be.